A box of cake mix in just 5 minutes? Really? That's all it takes to make the cinnamon sugar pudding cake. There'll never be any leftovers. Hey friends, today we're going to make a cinnamon sugar pudding cake, and it is absolutely delicious. We're going to put it together in less than 5 minutes. When I say simple, it's going to be simple and delicious. Starts with a base yellow cake mix. I'm going to add then a box of vanilla pudding. It's going to have an optional glaze that we can pour over top of the cake when it's done to serve, and it's going to be your favorite cake of the week. Let's get into it. We start off by greasing and adding a little bit of flour to a bundt pan. Then in a mixing bowl, we're going to take one yellow cake mix and dump it in the mixing bowl along with a vanilla pudding packet. I usually use a large box of vanilla instant pudding. And then I'm going to put in my brown sugar. I'm going to add in some regular sugar, and we're going to give this all a nice little stir here. I'm going to add in the cinnamon, a couple teaspoons of cinnamon here, and then we're going to give it a nice stir. So all of my dry ingredients we're mixing together very, very well here. Make sure that everything is combined very well, especially that cinnamon and that pudding. You got to work that in, that cake mix. We're going to add 4 eggs, one at a time. So there's 1 egg. Now I'm going to add in my milk, and we're going to give the mixing bowl some oil. Then we're going to take our blender and we're going to beat all of those ingredients in until well combined. So that was our first egg. And then we're going to take a little bit of a break here. We're going to add the second egg. Here is the second egg, and then we're going to beat and mix that egg into the mixture as well. Then right behind that, we're going to repeat this process. Here is the third egg, and we're going to then beat that egg into the batter. And then, of course, we're going to be adding that last egg in. So hey, listen, if you like to cook with me as much as I love cooking with you, hit that like and subscribe button so I can see a little bit more of you. So there's the fourth egg. We've just dumped that in. Now we're beating that until it's well combined. Now we're going to take that batter, that cake batter that we just put together, and we're going to dump it in our bundt pan. We're going to try to get it as even as we can. And thanks to my husband's extra hand there, he's turning that bundt pan, which makes it a little bit easier to layer in that cake mix, that cake batter. So here we go. I'm going to get the rest of this bowl right into that bundt pan, and we are going to then make sure that we get all the bits out of that bowl. We are going to bake this bundt cake. That's super easy. We've put this together in less than 5 minutes, and we're going to bake this bundt cake at 350 degrees, and we're going to cook it for about 40 minutes. So there's my temperature at 350. We're going to pop this in the oven. While that is baking in the oven, we're going to make an optional glaze. So I'm going to start my glaze by tossing butter into a frying pan. I'm going to melt that butter. I'm going to add my sugar, and then I'm going to stir. And I'm going to stir this mixture while I've got my heat on. I'm going to add a little bit of water, and I'm going to use a whisk here. And we're going to make sure that it's all combined very, very well while it's heating up. And I want the mixture to come to a rolling boil. So you can see here on the screen that my mixture is boiling for at least 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. Then we're going to just set it aside. Now the cake is done. I let the cake rest for a little bit. I popped it out of the bundt pan, and now I'm taking that warm glaze, and I'm taking that glaze and just dripping it all over the top of this beautiful cake that just came out of the oven. And look how shiny that looks. I mean, it is just beautiful, isn't it? So we're going to let that glaze kind of seep over the edges, down through the middle, and I'm going to take a big bite in just a moment. Okay, friends, our sugar cinnamon pudding cake is done, and I also we put the glaze while the cake was still warm and the glaze was still warm all over the top, so it's got a nice shiny kind of a sheen to it, right? I'm going to set it down so that we can cut a piece and, of course, give it a great taste. I love a bundt cake. I think they're so pretty on a plate, aren't they? So beautiful. I can see that glaze is kind of seeped into the cake. And let me tell you what, we put this cake together in less than 5 minutes. Look at that. Oh yeah, is that ever nice? Beautiful homemade cake from, I'd say kind of from scratch, right? The box cake with the pudding. All right, let's look at that. Yum. All right, let's take a nice big bite here. Now it'd be great with a little dollop of ice cream, vanilla ice cream. It's very, very light, but just has just a pinch of sweetness. I mean, it will satisfy any craving. The outer little shell of the bundt cake almost has its own little flavor to itself. It is delicious. You're gonna love this cake. Super easy, thrown together, less than 5 minutes. And it's gonna be a nice cake that you're gonna wanna eat. You're gonna wanna make this every week. It's so simple. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.